what's your memorable moment with Subra?
Me, nothing specific naman, but sobra, I really do enjoy our conversations regarding travel, food, and my usual rants for the project. Thank you always for listening and giving your advice.
How about you?
Okay, I actually have a lot. So from onboarding up until today, but the most memorable one siguro would be when he dresses up as Doctor Strange. So a lot of the new BTO members doesn't know that, pero yun, nag-Doctor Strange siya for Trick or Treat and we won.
Wow!
Wow! Amazing to see that. Okay, for me, the vegan buffet, I really love that one. And his conversations always about that. Now, 9 cats.
Mm.
9 cats. Yeah.
About
It's a
you?
lot.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Me, always T plus 1.
Namiss ba? Namiss congratulations!
Oh, we met that.
No, but it's always the T plus 1 and STP that's always reminds me of Subra. So definitely Subra, we would like to thank you about your leadership and support throughout fulfillment.
Thank you, Subra.
Thanks, Sobra.
We will miss
Bye-bye.
you.
Wish you all the
Thank
best.
you.